Okay, sister, your name and occupation.
My name is Zola. I'm a teacher, intermediate school. Okay.
Okay, teacher Wala, would you mind giving us a clue about this initiative?
Okay. According to our development in teaching, using more technology, more technique, more strategies to make teaching more fun than before, we use some application that help girls to learn English without feeling bored, without feeling difficult, or just feeling afraid of learning a new language. So we use some games, some applications. One of these most popular and interesting application, HB Reveal. Okay, one of the most interesting one. Okay, this HB Reveal, it's the augmented reality. How to join the real life. Okay, with their books. How to spread their books with the videos, with the pictures. Okay, how to make answer for every questions in the book without return to their teachers while they're absent, for example. Okay, this is the idea of the application.
The application, what type of teachers can use them? Elementary, primary, or
All of them. So easy to use by the kids, the teenagers, and by the adults also. The teachers and their girls can use it. It's very simple. Okay, they start using it in the Snapchat. After that, it can use it in their teaching and their education.
should the teacher who is going to use it have an online access?
Yeah. You have to access online, to have your own account, but in this account, download everything, every your works, and let everyone who wants to know anything just follow your account only.
Is the service paid or for free?
It's for free. It's for free. Yeah.
And it's available for Android devices?
Yes. It's for Android. It's for
Apple?
Yes, it's for Apple.
Okay, thank you very much, Teacher Wala, at the end of this interview.
You're welcome.